Hey there, this is Elliot, and in this video, I'm excited to show you how you can use an image and pull out specific colors from that image in order to create a really cohesive branded look for your website or any online marketing materials that you're creating. Now, this is super helpful if you have one image that you already know you want to feature prominently. For example, if you have a picture of your office building or of your business location or a picture of you and your team, just some picture that you already know looks great, you love the colors, and you're going to want to use it. In order to make sure that all of your images look cohesive, it's going to be helpful to pull out specific colors from that image. So here, I'm going to use a free tool called Canva in order to upload an image and show you how you can pull that image out. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to see some more ideas for how you can create a really cohesive website with really well-branded images and colors, check out the link in the video description. That's going to go into a lot more detail and have a free workbook where you can walk through the process of creating a super branded website. But for now, I'm going to show you how to use Canva in order to pull out those specific image colors. So I started here on Canva, where as you can see, I have just a super basic rectangular frame. There's nothing in it yet. It's just got this placeholder image here. So to begin, I am going to go here where I've actually already uploaded a picture. Now, this is a picture of some really colorful play balls, and maybe it's not the image that you would want to feature prominently on your website. I get it. But it is really colorful, and that's going to be helpful for showing you how Canva can identify specific colors. So here, I've clicked to add it on top of my image, and I'm just going to close this bar so that things are a little less visually cluttered. Now that I have the image placed here, I just move it slightly to drag it into the frame, and as you can see, it immediately fills up that frame that was already there on the Canva design. Now, when I click up here where it says colors and this icon on the left-hand side, I can see that there's a section called photo colors. And in it, it's identified several colors that are already being used prominently in the design. Now, there are two cool things you can do here. First, if you click on any one of these colors, it'll actually tell you what that color code is. So I clicked on the orange, and now when I click on new color, it pops up with the color code right here. So this is super useful if you want to record a color code and be able to use it for future designs. And to get rid of that and show you again with a different color, I'm just going to undo. That brings back the image I had. Now let's try it with this purple. When I click on the purple, you'll see it replaces everything with just that solid purple color. And again, when I click here under the color image, it comes up with the specific code here. So if you're looking for a color code, this is where you can pull it out of Canva. That's going to be super helpful. And here's the other thing that you can do. Once again, I'm going to undo that. So I'm back to just having this colorful picture here. And I'm actually going to scroll down to a second page that I've already created here on this design. Now on this page, you can see that it's blank and I just have these three icons here. I want to show you how you can create super branded icons that pull out the colors from the images that you used. This is going to be helpful if you want to use icons on your website or any of your marketing materials that use the same colors over and over. So let's say that your website is going to prominently feature this colorful picture, and then you want to have icons that use the same pink that's being used in that image. What you can do is click on the icon here, and you'll see that it has a couple color options up here. We'll leave the light one as it is, but for this black, why don't we replace it with pink? And I'll do that with each of these icons. So now if I were to use these icons on my website, you can see that they're the same bright pink that's picking up on the colors that's already used here in the photo. So this is going to be really useful, and it's a great way that Canva shows itself as a powerful tool to take an image that you already like, pull out the colors you want to use, and then be able to add them to icons or to any content, text, buttons, whatever it may be that you want to use on your website. Now again, if you have any questions or if you want to go more in depth, I encourage you to check out the link in the video description. That's going to have some more instructions and a workbook where you can walk through how you can create a really well-branded, beautiful, cohesive website using powerful images like this. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to message me and get in touch. I would love to answer them. All right, thanks so much. Bye.